Alright, boys and girls, I wanted to do a quick little review on the Gilomen Tune and Clutching. Put about 150 miles on last weekend and super impressed. I really am. No matter where you're at, if you stomp on it, it back shifts. Like right now, it's always in the right spot. You know, it's in the right gear, I guess if you want to say. And it just drives so much better. It's smoother, it's faster. You know, obviously General's not really a race rig, but it's pretty impressive what it'll do for the weight. It's at 32-inch tires, the extra bumper and winch, and it's always got a gas can in the back and cargo box full of tools and parts and whatever else. Generally when we go, I have a couple of kids at least with me, not always, but usually. So you gotta keep everything up and running and going and fueled up. But I got a couple videos, a couple clips. It wasn't the greatest of conditions this last ride. Did a bunch of raining and it was cold and crappy, and we rode fast, and I didn't want to take videos why I was riding like that. But I think the next purchase I need to do is for some sort of a good GoPro, so that when I'm riding I can be a little more attentive and I can get some good video footage. So yeah, I just want to give everybody a little review of that. I'm happy with it. Anybody has questions or they want to see something, we're going to race these two against each other. Hopefully before, but for sure after it's tuned. We're going to tune and clutch that one. We're also going to tune and clutch the 2020 RZR High Lifter 1000. And we raced all three of them when they're all bone stock. So we'll race them again now that this one's on 32s, and they'll all be tuned with Gilomen's clutching and tunes. So stand by for that. I think it's gonna be pretty interesting. The General Deluxe is my dad's, and it's got 2,300 and some odd miles on it. Stock belt, stock clutch, stock everything. So I'm really interested actually to see, once I pull the belt cover off, what the clutches look like for one, what the belt looks like. I'm gonna do the clutching first this go around. On my XP, I actually I put the tune in it first to see how the tune would react with the stock XP clutching. And now I'm interested to see what the clutching does on the stock regular General, just to see what it looks like, how it drives, what difference does it make. We are going with the non-EBS Helix. So when you let off the gas on this thing, it like throws you through the windshield. And it's just kind of annoying when you're trail riding and you're not trying to go fast, that you gotta constantly feather it to keep your face off the dash. So I'll be doing a step-by-step, the install part of it, and then we'll do, like I said, a bunch of race videos and just all the differences, and then review the whole thing.